SolarTaxi App. The SolarTaxi app is used to request electric car rides, and the payment mode is either with solar credit or cash. Once you have a few, then sign in as an existing user. Or if you are a new user, then click on the sign up button to sign up and then sign in. So to sign up, you will require your name, your email, required password, phone number, and then you click on Go Solar to register. After registering, you sign in with your phone number and password and click on sign in, and it routes you to the home page. So with our menu, we have profile, we have your trips, solar credit section for you to buy solar coins and store it in our system so you can request for a ride at any time and any day when you don't have cash on you. So let's request a ride. At the home screen, tap inside the search input field and route to the user location and destination input field screen. It will pick your location, but if you don't want, you change it and you type in your destination also. Select the destination button. Click on proceed. Select the preferred payment option, either solar credit or cash. Click on Go Solar. For a driver to be assigned to your request, a driver nearby will pick your request. Once it is picked and accepted, your screen will change to wait, where you would have to wait for the driver to come and pick you up. Once the driver gets to the destination and he starts the trip, and your screen changes, the status changes from wait to ongoing trip. Did you rate our ride and let us know how the driver did? Swipe on the star icons either to the right or left and click on OK.